Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I got another package in the mail. This is something that I don't normally order. It's not really on my go-to list of things to get. However, I've been keeping my eye out for it. It is a limited edition coin, and so I had an opportunity to get it for a really great price. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, so let me see if I can get this open. It's a small item in a big package. And here we go. And it is a gold coin, as you can probably tell by now. And what is it? I can tell you one thing. It's got the Queen on it, who recently passed away. And on the other side, ooh, it's a 2022 gold Kookaburra. Is that thing nice or what? Alright, yeah, these things are pretty small. They come in their own capsule, but from the Perth Mint. But what I don't like is they're not that good at capsules. They don't fit that well. Hear it rattling? But that's how they've all come. So this is the same design as the silver one, which I happen to have right here. Easier to see that design. Isn't that a beautiful design? I love that font on there. But yeah, all that polished look on certain parts of the coin. So the deal with these gold ones are, there's only 15,000 minted. And let me see if I can just zoom in a little bit. It's only 15,000 minted. And they don't sell out as quick as I think they should. I don't know, people just don't seem to be too fired up about them. But they're definitely sold out at this point. So finding one, you're usually going to pay a little bit of a premium for it because they are sold out. They started them in 2020, so I have the 2020, I have the 2021, and now I have the 2022. It's a 10th ounce of 4 9s. I think these are 4 9s. I don't know, my eyes aren't that good, but I'm pretty sure they're 4 9s. I don't see it, but it is a coin. You can see it's a $15 denomination down there. And let me go back to the side, see if we can pick out. Get a good look at it there. I don't see the purity on there though. It was back here and I didn't notice it. But anyway, it's pure gold, 24 karat gold, and it's nice to add to the collection. I actually have two 2020s of the first year. I was looking on eBay last night, and those things are selling for pretty good money, so I might be willing to trade, or if anybody's looking for it, pick it up. Maybe you could reach out to me because, I don't really need two of them. I have the 2021 and now I have the 2022, so that's cool. So the deal is, I buy a lot from Liberty Coin off eBay. Liberty Coin's a good place to buy, reliable, dependable, and has good pricing. And I recently bought something. They sent me an email saying if I signed up for their newsletter, they'd give me a discount, a coupon. Kind of surprised. I was pretty sure I was already signed up for their newsletters, and maybe not. I mean, I get emails from them all the time because I'm a customer. So I signed up for the newsletter, and they gave me a 20% off coupon up to $20. I was like, wow, 20% off on anything bullion coin related is a pretty good deal, right? So I decided to go out there, look around a little bit, and I found this, and I got $20 off. So instead of $209, which is what it was at the time I bought it, I got it for $189. Now that is a good price for a 10th ounce of gold, isn't it? No shipping costs, so $189 to my door. And for a piece that's limited quantities, again, only 15,000 made, I thought that was a pretty darn good deal. So that's why I picked it up. I've been on an American Gold Eagle kick lately, but picking up some, good reputable gold from a good company, pure gold, 24K. Pretty cool, huh? Still, I just love that design. It's a pretty cool design. So what do you think, huh? Liberty Coin on eBay, pretty cool place to shop. I have nothing invested in them or no reason to recommend them except they do pretty well, have some pretty good deals once in a while, and they can beat other people as far as their deals go as well. So I just thought I'd show you my recent purchase. Again, if anybody's interested in the 2020, reach out to me. You can find my email address in the description below, and maybe we can work something out. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and always remember, let's keep talking bullion.